Hi, if you are watching this video, it's because you are going to do your mass reassessment. So you start this at your table, regularly assigned seat. You have 1, 2, 3 questions to answer, and then it says the science tool on the counter has an object on it. Okay, so you need to raise your hand and ask your teacher before you can do number 4. So when you get to number 4, you're going to raise your hand, and then your teacher will let you know if it's okay to go over and use the tool on the counter. If your teacher says it's okay, you're going to take your paper with you. You're going to go over to the tool on the counter. Notice you're not going to touch it, you just record the mass. So the tool on the counter already has an object on it. It might be this object, it might be a different object. Your job is to record the mass that is shown. This is already set. Do not move these riders. Leave them where they are. When you have the correct mass, you're going to record it here. Notice the 1, 2, 3 dot space is already there for you. Write in your correct measurement. Do not forget your unit. You need to write your unit or your label here. Once you're done with that, you're going to the tool next to it. You're going to use this tool to measure. Notice the balance is already zeroed. You do not need to adjust the zero knob. It is already zeroed, so that'll save you some time. Then you need to measure the mass of the Sharpie. So you're going to place the Sharpie on your tool. You're going to go ahead and move these to get the correct mass. When you have the correct mass, you're going to record it here. Notice you need to make sure you include your unit or your label again, no naked numbers. When you're done with that, take the Sharpie off, and now you're going to do the same thing but with the water bottle. Again, once you have correctly moved the masses and you know what mass you want to record, you're going to write your number down. Don't forget to put your label or your unit on it, and then make sure you take your water bottle off your triple beam balance. Make sure you put all of the masses back at 0 and return to your seat. When you return to your seat, notice there's one last question, just to try to remind you not to have naked numbers here, so double check that you've labeled those. Don't worry about this information in the corner, that's for your teacher. When you're done with this, raise your hand and your teacher will let you know what to do next. Good luck, have fun.